This is the Autel EVO 2 Pro here. I took it out today to the lake. Very hot out today, so I thought I'd give it gave me a chance to exercise the exposure triangle on the gimbal itself, the ISO, the shutter speed, and the aperture. I like to zoom in post production 100% and ensure that I have sharpness from left to right, and especially in the center. And I'm very happy with the drone at this point. Um, I did this video here. I pretty much left it in auto mode because as I was playing around with the aperture, shutter speed, and ISO in video, I didn't notice any difference from auto to manual. Now keep in mind, I do not I did not use the HD function yet because I didn't think there was a need. It was very sunny out today. I did I think I was shooting at 5.6 5.0 5.6 somewhere along in there, so I had to lower the shutter speed, but I thought I was going to encounter a lot of blurriness, but that wasn't the problem. So I'm just going to be quiet and let it roll through here, and I'll come through. This is one of the images here. It was a DNG file, and I post processed it, and it turned out great. Very happy with it, and it really wasn't a flat image when I started to process it. So I was really grateful for that. But I'm just going to be quiet and let it roll through here. Okay, as we get near the end here, there is one image I was shooting directly into the sun. That's like a sunset image, and I figured it was just going to be a crappy image, but it actually turned out very well. The shadows, perfect. I was very pleased with this image. This is the image here, so very happy with the Evo. Thanks for watching.